So science is such an expansive field and it's always changing. That's one of the great parts about it, but it also makes it really daunting when thinking about the future.
How do you know you don't like something if you don't try it? You learn about all this stuff in the science classes, and then you go to this camp and you realize these are actually terms and actually things that people in those fields deal with all the time.
All of the students that come to Life Sciences Quest get an up-close and personal view with the industry that we're learning about, and it's a really great way to apply what we learned throughout the week and see it actually working in action.
I both like the hands-on side, but I'm also very willing to do a lot of sit-down studying and research, and this program has really shown the connection between both of those sides.
It's a great opportunity to get to network with other students who are possibly going to be a part of CAFNR in the future, and also to get to learn more about our college.
I was so impressed with the sheer amount and diversity of experiences we got.
The labs, like the hands-on experiences, like we got to see bees.
I loved when we did a titration at the equine student teaching facility, because that was a very, very clear example to me of this real-world connection between what we know to be true in science and textbooks.
It kind of just opened my eyes to, like, there's a lot of stuff that I don't know, and there's a lot of stuff that I would like to learn. The biochem lab definitely helped out a ton, because you either get a feel for what college life would be like, and you also get to see potentially what, like, being in that actual field is like.
It was such an incredible experience that I can't say of another time I could imagine myself being able to do that. An overarching theme that I saw this week was that where you start isn't always where you end, and that's an okay thing. We saw so many panelists and so many professionals doing something they loved, and they all got there in a very, very different way. Along the way, it's okay to change paths, because eventually you want to find what you truly like.
The best thing that you can do is just try everything out. You're not going to like some stuff, you're going to love some other stuff. And if you have the opportunity to do something, especially for free, that you think is either going to help you decide or just further your interests, I would say absolutely go for it.